Assalamu alaikum, sir. Dear viewers. I am Muhammad Sabdar, and today I next language lessons to teach different words, just like to using different language, Persians and Chinese and Arabics and Urdu and Saraiki and Punjabi, different language we use. Today lessons you write and learns and online classes, and I would like to say that when I say that I am students in English. I'm students. We say I'm students. And Chinese language, wu shi yu sham. On Chinese language, wu shi yu sham. I am students. And Chinese language, wu shi yu sham. Wu shi yu sham. Chinese language. And Arabic language, we say ana talib ilm. Ana talib ilm. Ana talib ilm. Talib ilm. Ana talib ilm. Persian, we say Nupa Shagird Asti. Nupa Shagird Asti. Nupa Shagird Asti. Persian language. And Urdu language we say मैं एक तालिब इल्म हूँ. मैं एक तालिब इल्म हूँ. Pashto different dialect today one against za yu talib ilm za yu talib ilm written language we say z yu talib ilm yam z yu talib ilm yam. Different Pashto and za yu talib ilm yam and Punjabi southern and western side different Punjabi dialect people's spoken just like Punjabi. मैं एक तालिब इल्म मैं हिक तालिब इल्म मैं हिक तालिब इल्म other Punjabi language dialect. मैं एक तालिब इल्म होसां मैं एक तालिब इल्म ओसां मैं एक तालिब इल्म ओसां. Saraiki we say असां तालिब इल्म सूं असां तालिब इल्म सूं असां तालिब इल्म हूं सूं असां तालिब इल्म सूं असां तालिब इल्म सूं. Different language dialect. And Henko we say in Henko language we say मैं एक तालिब इल्म मैं एक तालिब इल्म uh, these language we Chinese one against we say I'm students. Wu shi yu sham. Wu shi yu sham. Ana talib ilm. Arabic, Persian. I Nupa Shagirdasti. मैं एक तालिब इल्म हूँ. ज़ा यू तालिब इल्म यम ज़ा यू तालिब इल्म Punjabi different dialect. मैं एक तालिब इल्म मैं एक तालिब इल्म उसां. Saraiki असां तालिब इल्म सूं. Henko मैं एक तालिब इल्म मैं एक तालिब इल्म. Different language dialect and please subscribe my YouTube channels, and this way you can learn and write uh, these words different language, and this way is the easy way for language instructions, and thank for watching.